Too dark. All right, hang on. Whew. All right, so I got a new ring light. I don't like it. I'm blind. I'm gonna change the setting on that. It's like whitewashed me out, huh? All right. A little softer. Blue. Oh. Hi. So normally I'm not usually shown in camera because I don't like it, but welcome to At Home with Sue, and I will be changing my name pretty soon. Thinking about it. Anyway, I need some more hard-boiled eggs for tomorrow morning because I'm out. Ninja's gonna make them for me. So what we're gonna do first is, I usually keep everything right inside. I'm gonna take the little trivet, we'll call it a trivet, rack. There's, Ninja Foodi's been out for, what, a year now, so there's a whole bunch of videos on how to use this guy. I'm not going to show you in detail how to use it, but we're going to show you how to make the hard-boiled eggs. Don't follow the book. It's not a good recipe. I'm finding that out. So we're going to take 1 cup of water. We're going to throw that in. I have 6 eggs here, fairly large ones. And we're just going to place those right on the rack. Set your bowl aside. Okay, so this is your pressure cooking lid, your valve. That little button there will pop up when we're up to pressure. So first, what you want to do is line up your little arrows. Put your lid on. Turn your power on. Where was I? Okay, back to the Ninja. I'm home alone and I had a few drinks, so it is what it is. Anyway, we're gonna be hitting the pressure cooker button here. We're on high. We're gonna be going for 10 down to 6 minutes. Like I said, don't go by the Ninja Foodi recipe book. They have it for 4 minutes on here, and it's a little soft on the inside on the yolk. So we're going for 6. Hit your start button. Now your little spinner is going to be spinning or whatever way it's going. It's going to build pressure. It's going to take about 4 to 5 minutes about, so don't be alarmed. You think about it. If you made a hard-boiled egg on the stove, it usually takes about 14-15 minutes, right? You gotta boil your water. You gotta let the egg boil, right? So 15 minutes. Pressure cooker, it's gonna take 15 minutes. But before this thing gets going more, I need to switch that vent over to seal. I'm gonna move you real quick because I want to show you this little valve here. Make sure it's on seal, okay? And this little stem in the back, this red, will come up as it builds back up to pressure. Okay, so once this is come up to pressure, and it's gonna start counting down with the little numbers, we'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna jump on real quick because I want to show you something. This is coming up to pressure still. It's been a few minutes, like, I don't know, maybe 3 minutes or so. But can you hear the steam coming up? Probably can. But anyway, that's gonna start building up more pressure. And like I said, that little red light's gonna go on. I'm gonna try to get that and show you. This is like a regular manual pressure cooker. I mean, you do have to wait until the lock comes up. And once that comes up, you cannot open up this lid. It's sealed shut. You can see the steam coming out of the little vent back there, and that little red stem's gonna pop up, and there it is. Okay, so now that's up to pressure according to the stem. So we're still spinning. Okay, so now we're counting down. We are at 5:56, and I'll be back. You don't need to watch that countdown. Okay, we're done, and now it's counting up, and it's keeping warm. So we don't want it to keep warm anymore. So those eggs are done. They're going to overcook. So we need to release that valve. Flip it. Okay, so about 2 minutes, 15 seconds, that little stem in the back went down. We can now open up our lid. Be very careful. The steam is very hot. Lift it that way, away from you. Grab your eggs. Put them in a bowl of ice water. Now the reason for putting them in the bowl of ice water, anyway, is to stop the cooking process. Right, so we're done with Mr. Ninja. We can remove him. You only want to get these so they're cooled down enough to hold them. Now, like I said, I'm eating these tomorrow for breakfast because I'm on that new diet kick again. I have places to go. Anyway, peel your egg. And this is why I love the Ninja Foodi for hard-boiled eggs. The peels just come off. Ta-da! Nice clean egg. Let's rinse that off real quick. Grab a knife. And that, my friends, is a perfectly hard-boiled egg. Hope you enjoy. Try. This is easy. I mean, this is like beginner stuff. But you can. This is foolproof. This is foolproof. Yeah, foolproof. We'll go with that. Anyway, like I said, I'm gonna go back and enjoy my drinks because I'm home alone. And yeah, see you on the next one. Oh, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, like all that good stuff. And hopefully, I'm gonna get back in the ball and create some more stuff.